Now let us discuss the uses of the alkaline earth metals. These are very useful metals. Like, let's start from beryllium. Beryllium combines with copper and forms a number of alloys, very strong alloys, which are specifically used in the preparation of springs. Beryllium is also used in making the windows of the X-ray tubes. Now let us move to the magnesium. We know that magnesium is used in the form of milk of magnesia as an antacid. It is also used in the preparation of number of alloys with aluminium because it forms a very light metal like duralumin, which are used in making the aircraft bodies. Then let us move to calcium. Calcium in the form of its oxide is also used as a refractory material. It can withstand very high temperatures. Also, along with what we find is calcium, since its tendency, mainly the calcium and the barium, due to the tendency to combine with the nitrogen at a very high temperature and oxygen at a very high temperature, what we find is that they are used in the preparation of vacuums. What we find another important element in this group is the radium. Radium is used in the chemotherapy in the treatment of cancer. Its compounds are used in the treatment of cancer also. So therefore, they have variety of uses from like preparation of alloys to the medicinal field in the form of chemotherapy agents.